seem like all I see is fucking death. Calling my name out right now, but it seems like he can't even catch me, cause I'm so fucking fast. That's why I can blast his ass with my AK-47. But no, how about this? I won't even bring my shit up to here, cause if I did, then I'd be like a fucking queer. But shit, I can't even beat him with my own type of fist, knock him down and say that I'll put you down to hell. And I can't even tell what the fucking devil wants to do to you, cause I make you screw around with you and all. But no, how about this? Fuck you. I don't even need none of y'all in my fucking life. That's why when I was a fucking kid, you trying to get with me and all, trying to tell me to be with y'all. But damn, why the hell you want to be with a little kid? But know it, now I understand why. Cause when I grew older, I come so powerful and stronger that you can't even hold me down. Cause I will get you off of my back and get you out of my sight. But now, I can't even see you anymore, cause you so fucking pussy to even see me. But know what, I ain't trying to hate on you, because look, y'all demons ain't good for me. Y'all need to make more powerful ones to go to me. But damn, I bet if I fuck around with the Luigi board, nothing will even happen to me, cause I'm so fucking powerful and stronger that I'll tear them down, tear them apart, and feed them to my own type of body. But they'll never get nothing from me, cause I will kill them and murk them so good that they will be so impressed with what I can do, what I've been doing for the rest of my entire years I've been growing up and all. But damn, the only thing you can do is make me feel your presence. But know what, I don't give a fuck is how that one time I cussed your ass so good that you can't even know what to even do, cause I told you to beat me up. But damn, what the hell you trying to do? Trying to beat me up when I'm asleep? Cause when I woke up, I'm all fucking sore. That's why you a fucking pussy and I don't give a fuck you got to do anymore. But damn, why the fuck you gotta do this to me? What the fuck I even did? Cause man, damn, it seemed like when I was a little kid, I was so nice and all, I never did nothing to even hurt myself to get to this type of shit and all. But damn, it seemed like I have an internally sin in me. But no, it all depends, I think, what you be when you grow up and all. Cause it seemed like nobody can even take me down and all, cause I post up and say fuck y'all. Damn, y'all don't even need to even do nothing to me, cause I know I'll beat your ass so good you're on the ground bleeding and gushing and all. That's why I need to call the ambulance and make your tissues back, cause you're about to die like how I died a while ago. Cause I killed my own self, cause this is my new self and all. I never be like how I am and all. Cause now, damn, it's like I just want to grab a gun and say fuck everybody and fuck me too, cause I wanted to never screw around with this type of shit. But then it did happen, but I don't even know why. So that's why I said bye. Alright, so there goes my little freestyle today. So let me know what y'all think. Alright, peace.